Hello everyone, my name is Glenn Weadock and welcome to my course, Managing Microsoft Desktops, Policies and Profiles. I'm a consultant and seminar leader at Independent Software Inc. in Colorado and an author of 18 books on Windows, networking, and certification. Today's Windows 10 administrator must master both old and new tools, Configuration Manager, Group Policy, and cloud-based profiles and policies. This course dives into co-management, migration tools, and the various configuration management solutions in Azure AD and Intune. Some of the major topics that we will cover include using group policy for configuration management while planning for MDM, creating corporate compliance policies and evaluating systems against them, limiting access to corporate apps and data based on Windows 10 device compliance, deploying desired configuration settings via Intune device profiles, and optimizing user profiles and user settings management in the LAN and in the cloud. Now, by the end of this course, you'll know how to set up your environment for co-management by Configuration Manager and Intune, create compliance policies to monitor which systems meet business requirements, protect corporate email by mandating minimum security features on client devices, and create both built-in and custom device profiles to get your system set up the way you want. You'll also learn how to activate enterprise state roaming for employees with multiple devices. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with Windows and networking basics, but no advanced knowledge is required. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about how to bring Windows 10 configuration management into the modern IT environment with the Managing Microsoft Desktops, Policies and Profiles course at Pluralsight.